the 2015 Toyota Avalon. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Toyota prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.